Hey guys, this is my cheap hot air station. I noticed the other day that where the wire goes in, it was the actual flex had come away, and it was just the wire showing. And I have bodged it already, but I'm not really happy with it, so I'm just going to replace the entire cable. I haven't got black, I've only got white, so you know, pretty sad times, but there you go, things you've got to deal with. But yeah, I have bodged it already, just with a bit of hot glue, basically. My theory behind this, I don't think the actual like insulation actually ripped. I think they cut it because the hole in the actual retention thing here is too small. So I think they stripped the wire back a bit. Maybe that's standard practice, but I don't know, it seems odd to me. So anyway, I made it a bit smaller anyway, by cutting away some of the plastic. Oh, yeah, that bit, of course. Get rid of that. Yeah, as you can see, my bit of a bodge here. Just a crap ton of hot glue, basically, which I didn't even know my hot glue gun is, because again, I haven't found anything in this house yet, including my wire strippers. So I had it plugged in and used the actual hot air gun to melt the hot glue onto the wire that it was. Yeah, wouldn't necessarily recommend that, but you know, it is what it is. As I'm cutting it, I might as well just cut off the wires here. Well, I have to go here, aren't I? Yeah, it's fine. I'm just going to cut the wires here because I don't need to keep them here. Get rid of that. I'm trying to screw this. Get rid of that bloody thing for a start. You're going to unclip? Come on. Come on. Just unclip. Just pull off. I know you want to. It doesn't want to. Fine. Do it the hard way. Oh, it's soldered on. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be clipped on? Yep, soldered on. Okay, fantastic. Let's get this off anyway, which probably means a lot. I mean, I could use the... Well, no, I can't use the hot air gun now because I've cut the wire, so I can't even use that to get this off. Where my pliers were. I just cut through the... Oh, I don't really want to use these. Screw it. No, I will get the pliers. My other non-wire cuttery wire cutters, because I don't know where the other ones are. I can't find anything. Alright, there we go. Let's get rid of that. Let's get how these come out. I mean, it's melted a bit. Nothing to do with me, obviously. Give it a little squeeze. Little bit of squeeze. Come on. There we go. And that opens up. If it wasn't melted. I'm sure it would open up nicer if it wasn't. Oh. Oh, it snapped. So sad. But it doesn't matter. Yeah, that way. Yeah, the hole was originally a lot smaller than that, so I'm thinking they just cut away, because that looks like a very neat, ignore the hot glue, but that was a very neat rip otherwise, and I don't think it would have actually torn. And I don't like that practice. It just seems, I mean, I could just use the same cable again, but it's not very long cable. It's kind of a pain that it's so short. So, plus, you know, cheap Chinese cable. I'm not the biggest fan of it. So we'll just replace the whole lot with some good old British cable. Yes, British cable, and get a soldering iron set up. And then, well, I've got to take the front off, haven't I? Because the wires go... Ooh! Where do they go? This is a good question. Where do they go? I should pull them out of the cable tie. Right, it looks like they all kind of go to different places, which is just dandy. Really dandy. Makes my life easy. Oh, no, wait, the opposite. Makes my life less easy. I'll just take the front off because I feel like that'd be easier. Now, as we can see here, the wires go to all these lovely places. Yeah. Oh, they hooked this one in. Wow, good for you. The earth cable goes there, that's easy enough. I do have these connectors, but I might just reuse the same one because why not? I'm tight like that. And the brown goes to fuse, so that's literally 2 wires. Easy enough. Like it. Nice. Let's get rid of that. Get the blue one out of there. Yes, you do come out. Excellent. Different bit. Oh, remember it goes in this one. I'm going to mark it because I will forget. That's a flux pen. That's not gonna. I'll do a blue marker here somewhere, but who knows where? A bit of biro, that'll do. Oh, I haven't done it yet. What am I doing? There we go. Come on. This thing stinks of melted rubber because that's what I was using it for yesterday. Melting rubber. Delicious. Getting out of there is going to be a nightmare. I don't have these clips, so I'm just going to pull it out with a bit of solder. No, not pull it out with a bit of solder. No, I'm going to cut it and then just bodge a new one on there with a bit of solder. I think there's plenty of room in that connector. Yeah. Plenty of room in there for a bit of wire and a bit of solder. It's fine. Just snip that off there. Bye-bye. In fact, I'm going to do it now before I forget which cable goes where, because this is me and I will instantly forget. Because I am, in fact, a big dummy. I've got my helping hand somewhere. I will fetch them. Right, got them. Kind of falling apart, but big magnifying glass on top is just getting in my way. Let's move over that way so this is balanced. Not enough room here. Right. Sweet, sweet diggity dog. Oh, backwards. Not that it matters, but you know, OCD and all that. Fun, fun, fun. What was I doing? Ah, yes, of course, wire. Yes. Words and things. Going that way. It's the blue wire. So glad I remembered that. It's honestly a miracle that I did. Actually, I need a bit more heat on that one. That's some of it. I do. Ugh, filthy. Really have a fan on for this, but I don't know how loud it's going to be, so I pointed it towards it, thinking it would suck it, but it's not even turned on. What am I doing? Right, which way does it have space? Towards the back, yeah, that's the right end. Sweet. Just flow a little bit of solder on there, just soak it all up. I say a little bit, I mean quite a lot. Let's get a bit of heat shrink on there, but I'm not really sure we need it. Nah, should be fine. Actually, I will get a little bit. And now my bench is becoming more and more messy. Excellent. That should do the job. Just get up a little bit of this. I don't think we need it, but it's a bit of extra security in it. Get on there. Keep putting the wire down. I haven't actually taken it off the reel yet, so I have no idea how much I need. Yeah, it looks like crap, but it's on there. Wow, good focusing right there. Oh, uh-oh. Never touch the camera. Wow, it does not want to wobble. Oh, I can't even. Autofocus at any point? No? Not going to do it? Well, anyway. Looks a bit like crap, but it's definitely on there. Now we just stick that on there. Give it a little bit of a warmy woo. As again, my hot air gun is off and I don't know where a lighter is because I don't smoke. Or really ever use a lighter for anything. Back the soldering iron will do the job. Perfect. Ish. Right, that's that one done. Now for the next one. I'm going to get some of this cable. How much wire was left anyway? How much is the extra? I'll work out the extra, then I can just cut off that. Not cut off, but strip back that amount. Which would be easier if I had my wire cutters, which I do not. And now I've made it more difficult because I can't pull it off over the thing. Ha ha ha. Smart. So smart. All the time. Now I've got to try not to cut through this. Which is... I'll get a knife. As you can see, I'm really prepared for all the eventualities. I'm really thought this through. Yep, that's me. Just score it a little bit. Ooh, you're not on camera, mate. There you go. Dangus. Don't want to cut too deep, otherwise I'll have to start again. So I keep going out of camera shot. My phone screen's very small and I can really... Well, it is when it's in this mount anyway. There we go, split there. Give it a little pull. Bit of a twist. Yeah, don't do that wire. Going against my own device here. But I did mark the blue wire. Just and just. Okay, there we go. See now, had I not put that on, I'd be able to get it off, unfortunately. I'm an idiot. As I have previously shown, discussed, and everything else. But hey ho, you live and learn. Actually, I don't really learn, I just sort of live. Don't really do that either. I exist. Which is fair enough. At least I admit it. Or something. I don't know what I'm on about. I'm rambling. I'll tell you what, we'll just give it a little snip. Pull it free. Come free, my man. Come free. Oh my god. Can't grip it. I'm going to do this off camera. There we go. We have wires. Excellent. Right. Now let's carry on. Have a slurp of good old British tea. Mmm. Tea. Tea. It's tea. Alright, so we've got that and that goes through, so we're going to have to... So if you feed this through, that might make more sense. Feed it through. Excellent. Blue can go straight back into its house. Make sure that little tab is pulled. There's a little tab on there. Pull it up. There we go. Slide it all in till it clicks. If it clicks, because there's now a lot less room because of all this. I'm going to give it a little gentle persuasion with some pliers. Crush it down a little bit. And split it in the process. Good job, me. And now it's in there. See? Lovely. And get the earth wire. Take that one off. Any pliers. Very large pliers for the job, but there we go. Oh, come on, grip it. Grab it. I could just probably solder it while it's in there, but I don't really want to do that. It's right next to a diode, and I don't want to add excess heat to something that doesn't need it. Oh my god, what's this nut held on with? Oh, I think it's got like grease, not grease, but glue of some sort on it. Looks like silicone. I'll fight the silicone. I'll get this off. Oh, there's actually 2 wires going to it. Oh yeah, because one would be earth for the actual wand, heater, air gun. Wow, I could not think that word. Could not think that word. Yep, that's right. I said that in English. I'm almost certain I didn't. Alright, grab the helping hands again. Get rid of the knife because I'm going to cut myself with something on it. Because I'm just that sort of guy. Give me a bit more water. Come on. Oh! Does nothing stand up in this place? Stand. There you go. I'm going to grab hold of this. And actually, it's under enough tension that it should just pull itself out. Fresh solder. Actually, get a bit of flux on there first. Come on. There we go. And all over my finger. Obviously, you gotta flux your finger. Warm up. This wire wants to come out now. There we go. That was easy enough. And actually, I will take this out. Because then I can clean that hole and just put the new wire straight in. If I didn't drop on, you know, if you drop it, I'll heat up from the bottom, and boop. Don't know if that did anything. Yes, it did. It's completely clean. Excellent. What am I doing? Earth. 2042. No. Earth. Earth. I just headbutted the camera, didn't I? Well, that's a lovely view for you all. Picture of my scalp. Beautiful. Again, I wish I had my wire strippers because these things are way too sharp for this. And I'm not very careful, which is the big issue here. I get impatient and I just start cutting. Which sounds bad, but not like that. There we go. Mix these. Mix them? Yeah, mix them. Mix them together. Why not? Let's roll these together. Get a nice twisty twoo. Sew them together. Lovely jubbly. And then, ow, that's hot. Ah, really hot. You think I'd learn, but no, that's not something I do. Right, problem is now, it's a bugger. Can it fit in there? Apparently not. Come on. It probably will once it starts melting, but the issue of trying to get it in there in the first place and hold it in there to melt it. Just crush this down again, because I like to crush things apparently. Get a bit more out of there, but we'll just open it to be honest. Hi, sorry about that. I got a phone call again, and my phone is the camera. So, also forgot to mention, excuse the background noise. I've got the dehumidifier on, and my solder station has a fan in it. And it does now anyway, as I added one, because I'm weird like that. So I apologise for the bad audio. I will fix it at some point. With some microphone, I don't know. But right now, that's all I got. And if I change it halfway through the video, it's just going to sound weird. So, plus I'm really lazy, which is the key issue here. Right, see the wire's trying to pop out, so I'm going to push that in before it melts my fingers off. I'd really rather it didn't, even though it clearly wants to melt my fingers off. I'll throw a bit more solder in there. I should have turned it up a bit more, but there we go. And I try and melt my fingers, so that's beautiful. Use the pliers then. I'm trying to do it left-handed, which is just goddamn awkward. Unless you are left-handed. Doesn't help that these keep rotating. Stand up, there you go. And melt the flex as well here. Come on. Melt away, there we go. Give it a little blow. Sounded very awkward. Move on from that. Try to turn the thing down now. Doesn't need to be on that high. 301. Let's let that cool down a second. Beautiful. Now, I mean, I'm sure it's still scaldingly hot because that's been my luck. Hot? How hot? Oh, I actually jumped thinking it was hot, but it wasn't. There's a bit of solder sticking out, so I'll just cut that off. Cut that off. There we go. That's in there nice and solid. That ain't going anywhere, probably, hopefully, maybe. Put that back onto the screw. I don't know. What is that earthed to? Oh, it's not. It's not earthed to the... Is it earthed to the case? I don't know where my meter is. I really don't know where my meter is. Oh, it's right here. Right in front of my face. I'm just going to check. I mean, I have tested it for earthing, but it doesn't... I assume that screw goes right through to this metal plate. I can't imagine it doing much when it's covered in bloody paint or whatever, but... It must be. Although, again, it's not great. Very... hit and miss. I might actually get rid of that, what I assume is silicone. Because it can't be making a great connection, can it? I got a little wire brush, it's seen better days, but there we go. I'm just going to scrape that off if I can. Bit awkward. There we go. Doesn't really want to come off. Fine. Good old fashioned butter knife. That does it. Hope I don't damage the threads. Shouldn't do. Don't really need to do this, but I did. Just me being a little bit pedantic. Why's the wire brush not doing anything? I don't know, it doesn't really want to seem to get into the grooves and actually do anything useful. A bit of alcohol would help clear it. A bit of alcohol, isopropyl, not vodka, although they probably have the same effect. Not even doing anything either. How bizarre. That is really odd. Don't know what it is. Again, I guess just some silicone or something. Putty maybe. Either way, I think that'll make a better connection now anyway, purely because I cleaned one side at least. Again, I'm pedantic, but I'm not insane. I don't need to do that much. But back in there. Chuck it over there. Just grab the knife again, just do it one more time. It's really in those grooves though. Don't know why they would do that for earthing. That's just... Then again, earthing to at least Chinese manufacturers seems to be a bit of a... You might get earth, you might not, you know. No offense to anyone, Chinese or anything else, but... It's not really a standard they have to keep up with, is it? Now I've got to try and get back on, which doesn't want to go on. Ha 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 ha, yay. Fun. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I tended to solder onto the screw. That went through the other way, didn't it? Gonna get in the way? Just in case. I don't want to take it apart again. Ever. In my whole goddamn life. Not that I imagine it lasting my whole goddamn life, but there you go. It's like 20 quid or something. Really not expensive, but I don't really do all that much with it. It's a few chips here and there, but not like eating chips. I don't heat my chips up with it, my oven chips, you know. Well, I suppose I could. Seems a bit excessive though. Knock that capacitor off the board as I'm turning this. Just make sure that's nice and tight. There we go. Check again. Oh, someone's coming in. May have to pause. Yeah, perfect. The white's just misses. We're good. Not a rubber, not yet. I'll find much to steal anyway. Right, this wire's getting my goddamn nerves. For no obvious reason. I'm just angry in general. There we go. That's on there. Yes, I did mark it. Thank God for that. Questioning my own ability to remember where I put things. Live going down there. Actually, I can put the screws back in this side now. Just noticed I have been dumb and I haven't put it through the hole first, but it's fine. I'm going to have to cut the wire to a length, and I don't know how long I want to go with this. Longer than it was, but not stupidly long. I'm going to go for this amount. Don't know how long it is, but there we go. That is now the new amount. Excellent. I feel better, don't you? Oh, soldering iron's flying about, everything's flying about. This probably isn't in shot because nothing I ever do is in shot. There we go. Perfect, and I've still got to put this through. No, I don't, because it's broken anyway. Yeah, it's fine. My brain's melting. And I'm going to take this wire off here. There it is, sort of. There we go, get rid of that crap. And it really is crap. Heat shrink. Which heat shrink's gonna fit it? Up it. Perfect. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Snippety snoo. I dropped it. Oh crap. There it is. Oh no, I lost it again. There it is. I got it. Fresh lead-based solder on there. And then there's leaded free crap. Okay, you can't really see what I'm doing there, but I mean it's fairly self-explanatory. Soldering a wire. Stick that on there. Melty moo it. Back of the iron. Get on. There we go, that's on there. Get that on there. Somewhere, out the way, everything get out of the way, that'd be great. Go away, go away. Get that on there somewhere. Don't have to be too far in. It's about very fine. Maybe, maybe not. See, now it doesn't want to fit because the cable is very, very tight. Which is kind of the idea, I get that. Too tight. Squeeze that together. If you have the strength of 1,000 men. that in. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Might put a cable tie on that side. Yes, I will. Soldering iron off now. Don't need that anymore. I'm going to put a cable tie around here so it should hopefully stop it from falling. Do with a big one really, but yeah, I'll get a bigger one. There we go. That's backwards. Tie it around there so that if it does try and slip, the cable tie should stop it, hopefully. Make it nice and tight so it doesn't slip up the actual wire itself. There we go. Backwards too, everything backwards. Try it to some degree, there we go. Tidy it up because I'm weird. Well, there we go. It would have been easy peasy had I remembered to put this goddamn thing on, which I didn't. Find the cable. Oh my god, I made this wire really long. It's about 1.5 meters or 2 meters, something like that. Only about half a meter when I bought it. But that should be fine, doesn't use 13 amps anyway. You get away with 6 amp wire, as long as it has an earth in it. You don't need fully rated cable, but I have fully rated cable because I'm just that sort of guy. And I just have loads of it kicking about, so I might as well use the stuff I have loads of. Alright, put these back in. Oh man, my sticker. I don't need it out, but it kind of looks good. Oh, well, see, these are these are brand new because my other ones snapped, and these are ridiculously sharp. I think it's supposed to be a warranty sticker, but it literally peels off super duper easy, so I'm not really sure what the point of that is, but I don't think they care, honestly. Alright, Jesus. Yeah, this cable is horrendously long. It doesn't need to be this long, but there we go. It is. Now to put the plug on it, that'll probably help. Don't really fancy just jamming the wires into the outlet. Although I have done for many things. I won't do it for this. Take that off. Then take that screw out, but it just makes it easier. Because there's a 13 amp fuse in this plug. I mean, I was going to change for a 5 amp fuse, but they're less common. I don't have that many kicking around, and I don't really care. But it's 13 amp here, but there is a 5 amp fuse, quick blow fuse in the back here, so I think it's quick blow. I'm fairly sure it's 5 amp. Won't be able to see it on the camera, especially because my camera doesn't want to focus at all ever. Yeah, 5 amp. Quick flow blow fuse, so doesn't really matter about the 13 amp. It's not that big of a deal. Now we've got to try and cut this off in the same manner. Tell you what, just make my life easier, I'm just going to measure out. So, about there. Ish. Get a knife. Call that a knife? Oh yes, I do. Because it is. Just score it without going too deep, which is always an issue I have. and go way too deep on these things and have to start again. Yeah, there we go, not getting that. Oh, that was a bit close. I should not be pulling this with a knife in my hand, pointing towards my own face. Don't try this at home. There we go, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Fact. Why is the neutral longer than the earth on this one? Well, it's not longer, it's the same length. That's not right. That's not how you do things. The earth has to be the longest. Neutral doesn't really matter with AC, does it that much? I'll just cut the live a bit shorter than that. Now the earth has to be the longest, so in the event that the wire does get pulled out of the plug, the earth will be the last thing to disconnect. It's just safer. That pinged off somewhere, well, we may never know where. We may never care where, having said that. Right, let's lift that up a bit, make my life a bit easier. Get the earth in there. Screw it on in. Be easier if I had the terminals on the end though. This kind of only pinches a few wires at a time, which is just not the best. I could solder it, but I just don't have the energy for that. Plus crushing solder, it's a bit... It's not what I would call completely safe, but there you go. I mean, I suppose it is. I just have reasons I don't do it. Trust the screw. It's not the best plug. It doesn't have the rising clamp terminals, which would be ideal. Then not many plugs do, to be fair. Get that one in there. Screw it on in. Nice. And as you can see, if it gets pulled, the live will be the first one to come out, neutral will be the second, and the earth will be the last one to stay in. Theoretically. It's nice living in a world of theory. And now we tighten these up, and we are basically finished. And here's where I've done something very, very wrong. And it explodes. Which is entirely likely because, again, this is me. It's only plastic though. But hey, the plug will do. It's still a British plug. It says it conforms to British standards, so we'll go with that. I'm just going to double check that nothing is shorting. I don't really want to get electrocuted. Although the quick flow fuse would certainly make short work of that. Now check here, earth. Come on, where are you? Yep, case is earth. Nothing there. Nothing there. Okay, cool. It's not very in-depth, but the next test, just put your hand on it. If you get a lovely shock right up your arm, then you know it's not been done properly. It's always a good way to test things. Just stick your hand on them. Don't do that, for God's sakes. Don't take my advice. Forgot to put that on the wire, didn't I? Ah, life. I don't really need it though. But I want it. I want it on there now. I'm going to speed through this bit. There we go. Right, done. Now let's tilt it back a bit so you can I'm going to have to hold that, otherwise it's going to have to turn itself off. Plug it in. Don't go bang or kill me. So far, no death. Excellent. Make sure it's still working. Yep, still getting hot. And still turns off. Let's make sure everything's working. Yep, seems to be. Perfect. Well, that wasn't complicated or particularly interesting, but it's something that had to be done, so. Plus, now I have an extra long cable, so I don't have to sit 2 centimeters from the wall. Cheers!